In this video, we analyse a UFO that appears in a video that the Taliban filmed of a helicopter they blew up with an IED device in Afghanistan 2016. This is a video here from YouTube. Military helicopter Mi-8 lands on Taliban mine. And this is the article here. Taliban takes credit for blowing up Afghan helicopter. Now, the funny thing is there is a UFO appearing in there. So I'll just play the clip there and you'll see that UFO, that black object right there. I'll just enlarge it. So it'll appear right there. There it is there. Keep your eye on that object as it changes form, becomes three-dimensional. Bright lights come from it as well. And when the helicopter explodes, the blast will actually move it to the right. So it seems to be floating there. Just keep an eye on that spot right there. Disappears, comes back. Lights flash, disappears again, comes back. It's like a portal that opens to analyse this explosion, or it actually knew the devices were there somehow and observed the Taliban placing devices there and wanted to actually investigate when that exploded. That is a definite a morphing UFO. It could have been clearer film, but obviously it's not. There it is there, it just moves to the right. So what we'll do, we'll just zoom this in using a zoomer tool. So we'll start it there, roughly. I'll now press Control 4 and take it in that zoom spot there. Let's go. That's it there, right there. Keep your eye on that. It's right in the center of the screen. Oh, actually, there it is there. Watch as it morphs. It disappears. It comes back. There's a structure there. There it is again. And during the explosion, it appears and will be pushed to the right. So it's right in the center of the screen. See that flash of light? Those flashes of light. It morphs. Now it goes to the right. Let's catch it again. We can also pause the screen. So let's do it again now using that feature. Keep your eye on that as it changes shape. There is a definite object there. Why is it there? Hovering before the helicopter lands? Has it been watching the Taliban place the device there? Is it actually observing what will happen to the military helicopter? It'll be interesting to pause that, where it changes into very strange shapes and enlarges as well. So that's 4 times zoom, and there it is. It just moves away. So I just froze it in that spot there, and we can then obviously do the enlargement, zoom and draw. So let's just click onto that spot there, enlarge it. There it is there. We'll take the next step as it changes, and there's a few flashing lights come out of it as well. So just keep your eye on that. We'll try to freeze it when it changes into the best forms. Disappears, and here's where you can see it there, right there, and it moves to the right by the force of the blast. So it's still standing there. I'll just enlarge it. That's it there. And if we go back, you'll see it now being deflected to the right by the blast. There it is there, so it just starts to move. So let's go back there and catch it when it flashes the bright lights. I just paused it when the first flash of light is coming out of it, and that's right there. You'll see that light flash there. We'll take the next one. Disappears that flash. Then we have a changing shape there. And there's a good flash of light, or it becomes three-dimensional and reflects light there. So let's zoom in there. And there it is there. So I'll have to just shift that screen there to catch it. Let's move to the right. There it is there. So there's that object right there. Obviously it's a shapeshifter. I'll see if we can enlarge one more time. Yes. So there we go. Now I'll just play that quicker again, and we'll play it using the Control 4 function and watch it in 4 zoom. So it's there before the helicopter even lands. So as we go in, there it is right there. Oops, we did it too much. So let's get the spot right here, and let's play it. It's too much. Let's go back again. Now watch that morph and change. Right, there it is. There it is. Look at that, the flashing lights coming out of it. It's black. Comes back, goes out of view, there it is again. Flashing lights, there it is. That's a good form there. And there it moves out of the way. Excellent video. So obviously it's some type of UFO, and it's near the military explosion.